Hey everyone, today we're doing another Munch Pak unboxing.
We liked the first one so much that we decided to order another one. So we can't wait to see what's inside. Oh, we got another thing. This one was packed by Anthony. Made with love by Anthony.
The first thing we're going to try are these Lay's Spanish Tomato Tango potato chips. They are made in India. That tastes just like tomato sauce.
It does. I like them. These are good. So the next thing is Bon Chance bread crisps, and they are made in Lithuania. Okay, yeah, he said. Oh, this is cute.
Just take one.
It tastes like croutons, but better.
They're really buttery and
cheesy.
Yeah.
I like them.
Yeah, they're cheesy. Next, we're gonna try these wrap snacks. Sour cream with a dab of ranch. I'm done. They are made in the U.S.
Thank you. It's like potato chips.
Those are like extra ranchy.
Yeah, like sweeter.
They're like overloaded with ranch. If you like ranch, you'll like these.
Yeah, I like them. So now we're gonna try these Crayola Sour Neon Gummies. They are made in Turkey. They look like gummy worms, but they don't taste like them.
They're not very, well, they're not extremely sour, like some gummy worms.
Yeah. I like them though.
Next, we're going to try these Festival chocolate sandwich cookies that are made in Colombia. They look just like Oreos.
Yep. They're a bit smaller, I think. They're hard. They taste just like Oreos.
Yep, they do. Just like Oreos.
They're good. Now this is called the Big Thunder. It is from Japan. And we're trying this one next. So it's like chocolate covered cookie, huh? Oh, that broke off too much.
It's like milk chocolate covered Oreo cookie.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
I really like it.
Next, we're going to try whatever this is called and whatever it is, because we don't know, it's in some other language. So.
What the heck?
It's like a
cheese stick.
Cheese ball stick. Yeah, I'm going to just take a bite.
Just take a bite. Oh! Looks like...
Oh, it's really cheesy.
It's like a cheese ball.
Yeah. It's like a giant Cheeto Puff.
Yep. Oh my gosh, I like it. Now we're gonna try a Cherry Mountain. It's made in the US, but I've never actually heard of these, so it looks cool. Oh, it's chocolate. I think we'll have to take a bite of this one at a time.
Yeah.
Oh, there's cherry right there.
Is it minty?
No. has nuts in it.
It's like a fudge brownie.
It's a weird flavor.
That's pretty good.
The cherry.
I don't know.
Cherry's pretty strong.
I don't even know what that is really.
It's like a cherry filling. It's okay.
Now we're gonna try this chicky.
Chicky.
It's like a almost, I don't know, like a graham cracker with filling, and it's made in Costa Rica.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
You can eat. Oh, no. There's supposed to be like.
Oh, okay.
Supposed to be one.
Okay.
It's like strawberry on the bottom. Yeah, strawberry.
That's pretty good. It's like almost like an animal cracker with strawberry filling on top.
I don't love it, but it's pretty good. So now we're gonna try what is this called? Oh, it's called something Rosa. De la Rosa? I don't know. It says it right there. De la Rosa. And it is made in Mexico. Oh, I'm sorry. I just ripped that. It's like crushed. Sorry.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Very crushed.
Well, it's got chocolate.
And peanut butter. Oh, it's good. I like this. Tastes like it's on the top of my head.
It's not like a Reese's cup.
No, it's on the top of my head.
Yeah.
It tastes like a Reese's cup too, though.
It's like it's got a lot of peanut butter, and
I like it.
I don't know, but it's pretty good.
I like it.
Next is this Kinder Happy Hippo biscuit, and it's made in the UK. I don't know how I'm supposed to really.
Just take a bite. Oh, that looks hard. It's like a filling in the middle. Oh.
It's like a oh, I can't think of it. We had it in the last video.
It tastes like it, yeah.
Similar. It's
like one of those
it's
Nutella
like
things.
flaky. Yeah, it tastes like because it's got Nutella. I mean hazelnut in it.
I like it. The next thing we're gonna try is called a Samo Thai, and can't find where it's from, but if you know where it's from, write it in the comments below. So let's open this. Oh, it's cracked a little. That's okay. It's a chocolate bar with banana cream in it.
It's chocolate covered banana. Just like you would get at a fair.
No, I love it.
Next is this Milka Collage caramel biscuit and chocolate drops. And it is made in Poland.
Ooh, wow.
Here.
This is good.
That's really good.
I like it.
It's like a chocolate covered trail mix.
No, I don't know what it's like, but I like it. Now we're gonna try this. I can't read it, and everything's in another language, so I can't read where it's from. But it looks good, and it's sour. It says super sour flavor in it, so that's all I can read. Oh, just a little pouch.
It's like the packaging for Warheads.
Yeah.
Looks like a Warhead
looks like
too.
a warhead. Yeah.
Except softer on the outside.
I think they're green apple. Tastes like green apple. Oh, you can chew it.
Ooh, that hit you.
Well, that's star. Oh my god.
Oh,
That's really sour.
Tastes like high chew.
I like it.
When you chew it, tastes like high chew.
What's that? Oh.
It's like a chew.
Oh, it's sour.
That's good.
That's really good, but it's sour.
Next are these something beetles from somewhere.
We can't read
say
it.
on the back. I can't read it. Ooh, they look like Skittles.
Yep, they look just like Skittles. Yeah, they're just like Skittles. They're really hard to chew.
They're like chewy Skittles. Like really.
They're not easy to chew though.
They're pretty good.
Grape. I can't chew the middle. It's okay. Not my favorite. So now we're gonna try this drink. It's called Purple Stuff. It's grape flavored, and it is from Texas in the United States. I think it might be carbonated. It's like fizzing, like a, I don't know. It tastes just like grape soda.
Whoa, that's really carbonated.
It's good.
But it tastes just like grape soda.
I love grape soda. This is good.
Next are these Dars, and they're white chocolate and made in Japan.
Thank you. They're like tiny white chocolate Hershey Kisses. I mean,
Yep.
not Kisses. Chocolate. I mean, Hershey's.
It's like a bar of white chocolate Hershey's.
Yep.
It's good.
It's good. So next we're gonna try these Peppero, and they are from Malaysia. Here we go. Oh, they're in little packs. Ooh,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
I like chocolate covered sticks, almost like
Nutella sticks.
like dipping it in Nutella, except That's a
That
thick
smells
coat.
white chocolate.
that's a thick coat of chocolate.
Oh, they're called double dip.
Those are good.
I like these.
Next are these Pure Magic Chocolush from India.
Oh, they're so cute.
Another.
Thank you.
There we go.
Ooh. Like that. Oh. Oh, yum.
It's like a cookie. It's like the Chips Ahoy cookies with the filling on the inside.
Yeah. Chocolate cookie. Chocolate filling. It's
It's really good.
I really like this one. So now we're gonna try these Finny Roller Candy, and they are from Spain. Oh my gosh. These look just like Airheads. You know those Airheads sour strips? Just like it.
Looks more like fruit by the foot. Looks like a sour fruit by the foot.
Looks like those two things
Tear a
combined.
piece off.
Tastes just like those Airheads.
Now it's, oh yeah, it is pretty sour.
Just like, I like it.
Next we are gonna try these, and they look like gummy worms, but I can't read it because it's in another language and I don't know where they're from. Oh. Yep.
Yep, just like
They're like the gummy worms we had earlier, just not sour.
yeah. Ah! I don't really like the flavor that much.
Really? Because I do.
Well, we got two different flavors. They're okay. So I'm gonna see if there's another flavor. Oh, there is. This one, oh, and look, they have legs. I didn't even notice. Like this one's bigger, so I noticed they have a weird legs and tail. They don't look like worms. And this one looks like root beer.
Oh no, I think it's gonna be Coke.
It smells like root beer. I'm gonna try it. Root beer.
That's Coke.
That's root beer. No.
That's
Root beer all around.
okay. She's kidding. It's Coke.
No, it's root beer.
No, it's not.
It's root beer. He knows it. It's root beer.
No, it's
It's
not.
root beer.
No, it's not.
It's root beer.
It's Coke. It's Coke.
It was Coke.
Yeah, you knew it was Coke.
Oh, it was Coke. Okay, fine, it was Coke.
That's what I thought.
It was. I just wanted to win. So now we're gonna try these Makitas, and they are from Indonesia.
And they're strawberry shake candies.
Oh yeah, they are strawberry shake candies. I need help. Oh. Ah.
Oh.
They're hard. Ow. Oh my gosh.
Oh, there we go.
These look weird. Like I don't know what they look like. They're weird looking though.
Almost like.
Oh, they smell just like strawberry shakes.
Whoa.
It's chewy. Ah! Oh my god, it's so chewy.
Yeah, it's chewy.
It is. It's hard chewy. I can't chew it.
Tastes just like the strawberry milkshake.
It does. I like it.
It's okay. Next is this poker from Italy. Oh, it's like a vanilla wafer.
Yep.
Ooh.
It's very white.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it over the box so we don't get it all over. There we go.
Freaking hot. Oh, that worked. I like it.
It's kind of plain.
Oh, and what flavor does it say? It says Valignia. Valignia, so vanilla. Huh. So last we are going to have this. It is from Japan, and it looks like you have to make it, but let's see what's inside. Some powder stuff and some sticks. Look like little ice creams.
Or, yeah.
Yes, I think we have
Maybe
to
like
make
little
this.
lollipops.
Oh yeah, they're like soft. So we think we figured out how to do it. We're not completely sure, but we're gonna try. So we put them in the mold and we put the sticks in, and now we just hope for the best. So. Oh, they don't look that bad. Oh, I don't know how to get them out. You might want to see it before we take it off.
I don't think we put the sticks far enough in.
We probably
Let me
didn't.
try.
Wait, we don't. Oh,
There we
wow, you did it.
Yeah, that. That stick isn't in far enough. I'm gonna try to push this one back together real fast.
I think it looks good. I'm gonna try it.
There we go.
Aw, they look so cute. You have to. I like them. They're really good.
Yeah.
This was really fun. We hope you guys enjoyed this Munch Pak unboxing as much as we enjoyed trying all these awesome snacks.
And remember, Munch Pak is a monthly subscription box. And if you want to get your own, we have a special promo code just for our viewers. And the code is MandMMom, and you can get $2 off with your first purchase.
So that link is in the description below. So they sent us so much stuff, I can't even choose what my favorite was. But if I had to choose, I would say two. I really liked these little stick things. I think the box, yeah, these. And then I also really liked these. They were just so good. What were your favorites, Matt?
My favorite was probably just this. This was really good. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you've ever tried Munch Pak, leave a comment below of if you have and what was your favorite snack.
So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at @officialMNMMom. And if you are new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our M&M family. See you guys next time. Bye!
Bye.